Welcome to Rather Be Fab-N. My name is Alan. Today we're going to be taking the YURF dog go-kart for its first ride with the 212 Predator, and we put a forward reverse gearbox on there. Now the setup that we got going on, we took the fuel tank off the top of the motor, and I made a top plate and mounted the forward reverse gearbox to the top of the motor. It worked out really well, other than the fact that the chain slaps around a lot. You'll hear in the video. So I gotta take and make a like a chain tensioner or something, figure out some way to tighten up that chain a little bit. And I think the big sprocket on the axle, I think I got a little bit of a two skip there too, so I'm gonna have to check that. So what we're gonna do is just run it up and down the street a couple times just to see how it performs. And then tonight, like I said, we'll make a new tensioner for the chain and everything, and then we'll take it for another ride, see how it does. Hope you guys enjoy.